Welcome students. In today's topic, we are going to learn about the position and distance of different planets from the sun. Before starting the period, I want you to observe this page concentrately and see how the different planets are orbiting around the sun in a fixed orbit. Okay. Now, before starting the lesson, before knowing the position and distances of different planets from the sun, we have to recite the sentence, "My very efficient mother just served us nuts." Why? Because the initial of every word denotes the name of planet. For example, M stands for Mercury, V for Venus, efficient E for Earth, mother's M for Mars, just J for Jupiter, serves S for Saturn, us U for Uranus, and nuts N for Neptune. That's MEMJSUN. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. Then the students who take Hindi medium, if find it difficult to recite, then you can use own trick. For example, I use my own trick. Understanding is necessary. Then you can use your own trick. For example, देखिए, मेरा वोट इलेक्शन में जा सकने की उम्र नहीं. मेरा M V वोट इलेक्शन E में M जा जे सकने S उम्र U N. क्यों नहीं डाल सकते हो वोट? अभी छठवीं में हो, 10 इयर्स के हो, और क्यों कब डालोगे, कैसे डालोगे, ये हम पढ़ेंगे सिविक्स में. आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दैट ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ एसएसटी आर रिलेटेड टू अवर डे टू डे लाइफ. ओके, देन रिटर्न टू द पॉइंट. The first planet is Mercury. It is the nearest planet to the sun. It moves faster than other planets in the solar system. Why? Because the distance of Mercury from the sun is less than the other planets. It is the first, it is the fastest than other, and it is near about 58, it orbits near about 58 million kilometer away from the sun. It's 58 million kilometer away from the sun. That means it's orbiting near about 58 million kilometer away from the sun. Then the second, Venus. It is the brightest planet in our solar system. Why it is brightest? Because the outer surface, the clouds on this planet reflects the sunlight more strongly. The clouds on the Venus planet reflects the sunlight strongly. That's why it is the brightest, and it is hottest also. Why? Because its outer atmosphere is made up of carbon dioxide, and all of you know that the carbon dioxide always traps the heat and it causes greenhouse effect. That's why Venus is known as the hottest and brightest planet in our solar system. Then and it orbits near about the 108 million kilometer away from the sun. Then the planet Earth, our beautiful Earth, we called is that blue planet. Why? Because if we see from the space, our Earth looks blue. Why it looks blue? Because near about 70% of our Earth's surface is covered with water, and because of that water, our Earth looks blue from the space. Then, and it is 150 million kilometer away from the sun. Then the fourth planet is Mars. It is known as the red planet. Why? It is known as red planet because of its fine red dust. The dust on the planet Mars is of red color. That's why it looks red, and it orbiting near about the 228 million kilometer away from the sun. That means its distance is 228 million kilometer. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. You know about the distance. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. 228 million kilometers away from the sun. Then these are the inner planets, and from Jupiter to the Neptune, these are the outer planets. These are the outer planets, and between the inner and outer planets border there is asteroid belts. What is this asteroid belts? It is made up of numerous small heavenly bodies and rocks. That is called asteroid belts. Then the giant. These planets are also called as giant planets. This Jupiter is the largest planet. It is the largest. It is the largest planet, and it is the innermost planet of the giant planets. It orbits 778 million kilometers away from the Sun. Then the sixth planet is Saturn. It is known because of its rings. Its clouds form rings. Its rings made up of rocks, ice and clouds. It is 1427 million kilometers away from the Sun. Then Uranus, seventh. It is the third number largest planet of these giant planets. It is 2869 kilometers away from the Sun. And the last planet is Neptune. It is the fourth planet of the outer, and it is 4496 kilometers away from the Sun. Then how could we remember this different distance from the Sun? Do you know? We can recite simply by using tricks. For example, we have to recite only 58 million kilometers. Then the second number is 8. We can write here 8. Okay. Then 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10. Okay. Then again take second number. What is its second number? Digit 0. And 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. That means 150 million kilometers. Then how many times 8 comes? 1 and 2. That means इनकी जोड़ी है. कितने टाइम आया है? 2 बार. 2 बार 8. या फिर 5 1 5, 5 2 10, 5 3 15, 5 4 20 और 8 आया है 2 बार, इसलिए 2 ऐड करें तो भी 228 हो जाएगा. अब देखिए, सी हियर इज ऑल्सो 8, हियर इज ऑल्सो 8 एंड हियर इज ऑल्सो 8. इन सबका साथ है 8 का. हम साथ है. आपने समझना कि हम थोड़े तुतलाते हैं, तो साथ को बोलेंगे 7. तो हम साथ है. 8 बोल रहा है कि हम साथ है, यानी 778 मिलियन किलोमीटर अवे फ्रॉम द सन. देन 7 2 कितना होता है? 14. अगेन 5 1 5, 5 2 10. दैट्स वाई आउटर प्लैनेट्स में आने के बाद फिर से 2 करेंगे. 7 2 14. लेकिन हमें करना क्या है? ओनली वी हैव टू डू दैट. वी हैव रिटन इन दिस वे. 7 2 14. That means 1227 million kilometers away from the sun. Then again 14 2 28. 14 2 28 and 4 plus 2 6. 2 plus 7 9. 2869 million kilometers away from the sun. Then 69 का किया उल्टा 96 यार. 69 का किया उल्टा 96 यार. और ख़त्म हुआ अब हमारा ये समाचार. 4496. अगेन 58. 5 1 5, 5 2 10. टेक सेकंड डिजिट. 5 1 5, 5 2 10, 5 3 15. टेक सेकंड डिजिट 0. 5 3 20. 2 बार 8 आया इसलिए 2 करो, या फिर 2 बार 8 आया है इसीलिए 2 2 8. 8 कितने बार आया है? 2 बार. देन 8 साथ है इसलिए हम साथ है. देन 7 2 14 को लिखेंगे 7 2 14. 14 2 28. 4 plus 2 6. 2 plus 7 9. 2869. देन 69 का किया उल्टा 96, यार खत्म हुआ अब हमारा समाचार. फॉर एग्जाम्पल राइमिंग, वी टेक दिस 4496 kilometer. And then while regarding to the size, the largest is Jupiter. The largest is Jupiter. Then sun लेंगे, Jupiter का sun. Saturn giant लेंगे. Then Uranus. Then Neptune. फिर अर्थ, Venus, मार्स एंड सबसे लास्ट है मर्क्यूरी.